Alright. Okay, are we recording? No, not yet.
Recording in progress.
Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, good evening. This is Captain speaking. This is a London live session. Today is the 7th of October 2024, Monday, and day after, trading day after your NFP madness. Some mad one. Okay. So, we done spoke about this last week already. With the potential. Oh, that's why I hate this.
Good morning, everyone.
Oh, good morning, Ozzy.
Morning, Ozzy.
He always comes in so, like, sure, catch me off guard every time. I just want to let me do that. Cool. So, yeah, we spoke about this. Oh, I'm on the wrong tools this morning. I'm gonna annoy myself. Swear. There we go. So we spoke about this area, we know what that is, and we've spoken about this rejection over here, that failing to hold below, now pushing back up. You have closed above, the weekly has created support. Currently, obviously, you are in a bearish session, so from a high time frame perspective, it looks very ideal to pull into these areas, which is still quite a long way away. It's a lot of range to the downside to then potentially push up further into these areas. Only thing is your current session is bearish, or price is currently printing bearish, but as everything stands so far, so good. From your daily perspective, you can see you have your support, you have your high support form and high support again, and then closing outside of the range. So looking into these areas over here, which is your 198, like almost 400 pips away, looks good, or looks ideal. So that would be personally a target that I'll be looking at for the week if price does turn bearish, bullish. So I'm still busy waking up this morning, and we can clearly see our price open up, very important, up there. Haven't broken that yet, but you can clearly see here now on a 4 hour perspective that the rejection. This 4 hour close is bearish, that did form. These are stance. So just gonna be calm and wait for the ideal options. We can see on the hourly also you currently don't have bullish structure, so yeah, essentially just want to see some bullish structure, and this area importance see resistance, then support, and price here has reacted quite a few times. So 194.200 here. I want to mark that out on my trader. I was 194.2. Currently your structure is to the downside. You can clearly see that. Price open a bit lower, but here's where your clean candle range is. So currently in here you can see resistance form, but these are your contention areas. So can we see a push into here to then bounce? That's ideal if we start pulling and forming structure below here. Yeah, that would be a different story. Besides that, I think everything's covered. We know what we're looking for, and it's just about what do you want to play and how do you want to play it. How's your weekend, Rosie?
It's good. It's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
I myself personally I'm wanting to see what this candle does if we do reject prices here again. That is essentially what I want to see this morning. So other than that, just chilling gold, not doing anything either. Must be doing price ranges. Your 2625 is holding. Can you say 2625? No, 625 is still holding on gold, so don't really think price would close below there. Otherwise, reason to unless it once does deeper pullbacks to the 2600 flat, then so be it. So a guy saying gold is now bearish. So, alright.
Yeah.
I'm done with these people now, bro. People say really silly stuff sometimes.
Which people?
People online, these online dummies.
Yeah.
What are you guys looking at for today and for the week?
I'm looking at a similar thing to you with see what the chart does over here. See how the candles print coming up. If they come up to here, to then maybe just continue down to here. Pretty simple. But I do know I don't expect it to fill that whole range to the bottom in one candle. I feel like we're probably gonna go down, come up, go down, and then maybe pull that candle, but slowly. because that's a big candle.
It's a massive.
And then we still never broke the daily wicks there, you know.
I'm also looking to see how price will react. So before I can do anything.
What time frame?
On a daily time frame, I'm expecting some pullback to the 193 areas for any possible buys. But currently, for this morning, sales make sense.
Pullback buys would be ideal. I'm just very wary as well. We know what this is here, and we don't see price close above and then close back below. Rejected, close above and close back below. Close above.
Yeah.
Will today be the day? Who knows? For now, just need to wait.
Rudy, what do you think happens? Let's say World War III starts happening, right? Would these like Forex platforms and stuff all still be running? Like if it's really hitting the fan,
Yeah,
it'll still continue.
yeah. I haven't been in World War yet, so I don't know,
Yeah.
but there's been over the years now a lot of war happening.
Yeah.
So, nothing's closed down ever. The world was on a lockdown. Everything still ran fine.
True. It was actually better during COVID and Trump.
Exactly. So, nothing over the past years has closed or shut down or whatever. And essentially, all of that is money making. So, how do you shut down money making things?
And like, so let's say the pound, England, the UK goes into full-on war with someone, right? Would that, because weren't they be making money off war, so then it would get stronger, or would it not? Like if we're looking at the charts at that time, what happens to the pound during a war?
Well, if countries like the British go into war, that's those types of things. They're not in. It's just them. That's like world war then, because they have other countries that have to back them. So certain countries can go to war, and certain countries would take other people with them to war. So that could be World War III.
But do you think the
But
pound as would get stronger or weaker during that time?
well, that's why I like trading the pound yen, because the pound is a risk currency and the Japanese yen is a safe haven currency. So.
Oh yeah, you did tell me this, yeah.
So essentially, what did happen then?
So basically, people would be taking their money out of the pound and putting it in a safe haven like gold or Japanese yen. When the war's going on, and then if it settles down, then they'll go back and they feel comfortable.
Yeah. What am I doing? So that scenario, the pound would look to go down and money would go into safe haven assets like the yen and the dollar. So GJ would be heading down. That would happen on GJ, GU, Euro USD, Swiss franc, and safe haven assets and currencies. You get me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now, let me go. I'm gonna be right back.
Okay.
Alright. Things how have you been?
Where's Ozzy?
Said, how have you been?
How have I been?
Yes.
Yeah, I've been good. I had a good weekend.
Okay.
Just chill today. It's still now. It's Sunday night for me here.
It's still Sunday over there.
Yeah.
Okay. It's Monday, yeah.
And what country are you from, Ozzy?
I'm from Nigeria.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm from the eastern part.
Mm.
Do you know about the eastern part of Nigeria?
I know a little bit. I don't know too much, though.
Okay.
Do you like the eastern part better than the other parts of Nigeria?
Yeah, essentially that's where I come from. They're called the Biafran people. I don't know if you've heard about that. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Sister Bettina. In the meantime. Oh,
I play that song nearly every day. When I go to the gym, put that song on. When I go to the gym, that's the first song I listen to. Sister Bettina. All right.
Get you ready for the week and the day.
Mm-hmm.
So, Katie was online now.
I was wondering if she's gonna join.